cars. Like tennis players do back and forth.
Hey, they going that way.
Soteria and Terica to the DJ booth, please. Soteria. To the DJ booth on the behalf of Taylor Hand Car Wash, Twice as Nice, and Fat Burgers. I want to personally thank you all for coming out having a good time for the 5th annual picnic.
Thanks, Ray.
All right. Okay.
Put on the camera, man. I done swooped her many times. She didn't know it. What you do, man? You the camera type of shoot you. She's in the house.
I want to take this time to welcome everybody from the Sojourner Truth Home. Also my dogs. I got here a little late, so they won't let me spin, y'all, but it's all good. To T, my homeboys on Buffalo, Syracuse, Finline, Codwell, Dean.
In between time, y'all ready to do my thing, 'cause I'm a stone cold New York rap machine. I'ma give you what I got, you baby.
You're on camera, smile. Did you have a good time today?
Straight. I performed for the people. I did what I have to do. Just to enjoy myself as Sojourner Truth. This is historic. This land is historic for the slaves to have freedom.
There you
Doorway
go.
to freedom.
There you go.
It's me! Oh my God!
Yeah, I got you again. Yeah, I got you again.